Good day and welcome to a new video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Jamieson and I'm the host of this channel where I share with you my time lapses and talk with artists from around the world.
I'm a believer that the first and foremost reason that you should do art is because you enjoy it, because it makes you happy, and it's just something you love doing. If it's something you force yourself to do, you're like, I want to be an artist to make money. First of all, ha 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 ha. Second of all, like, it's the wrong reason.
You're going to be spending a lot of time on something you don't love, man.
Yeah. I find artists from around the world from many spectrums of life to discuss and talk about different ideas and how to make it in the industry. Some have been in the industry for years, some are artists, some are getting into the industry like me and just starting out. It's good to get all this information to help you artists grow and to have a fun time just listening to other artists that have dealt with many issues in the industry and just deal with general artist life. Yeah.
You know, I think people want instant results. They want their first drawing to be absolutely perfect. They think that they should get the big job right off the bat. No, work for it. Put the effort in. Be willing to get your hands dirty. You know, if we live in a society that's always based on I want it now, well, there's no actual reward to doing what we're doing.
And so I was painting an osprey. It's actually from my Instagram. And so I was painting it, and so the whole point of this demo was to just kind of like answer questions about science illustration, about natural history illustration, and just illustration in general, and kind of be a friendly face to the program. And this lady walks up to me and asks me, she says to me, "That's really beautiful. Thank you. How long did it take you to learn to do that?" And I just said, "My whole life." And you can just see in her face that she was hoping the answer was like 2 weeks or something like that.
So if you're an artist or just someone that's really interested in the industry or just really likes art, please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps to build this channel, and hopefully it can build this so we can get more artists in, more videos, maybe even more regular videos. Please also check out my Patreon. I have a Patreon where you can help me in this journey in creating more YouTube videos and more creatures and characters and all sorts, and getting great artists in. We had a list before of all the many artists we've already had, and there will be more in the future, and we're doing different things every now and again, so it'd be exciting to see what actually I do and keep on creating on this YouTube video, whether it's more time lapses, more people just coming in and more interviews. Maybe I might be able to do some more tricks and tips and tricks and things. But yeah, just like, share and subscribe, and thank you for checking out my channel. Link to my Patreon is down below. Thanks for checking this out. Have a great day. Goodbye.